Hey guys, as we are quite aware of the current incident, coronavirus, in short, it's widely known as COVID-19, and I hope you guys all are staying safe. And in the current scenario, it's quite important to track the statistics of all the cases around the world so that we will be more cautious in our day-to-day life and can take proper precautions. So I have decided to build a full stack application with interactive maps so that it will be quite easier for the user to track the cases around the world. So let me give you a quick demo, and after that I will give a brief overview of tools and techniques about this website. So the URL for the website is covid19.hackbot1.com, and when you visit the website you will find out at the left side it shows all the country list with confirmed deaths and recovered cases, and also you have the option to search, and if you click any of the countries then it will show the statistics of that particular place. And on the map, if you hover on the coordinates, then it will display the statistics of that particular point. And also you have the option to choose the styling of the map from dark to light mode, and you can toggle between these two options, whichever styles you prefer. And the website is very responsive. When you open the website in a smartphone browser, then you will find out at the bottom three tabs menu. The first one with all the cases, the second tab with the map, and the third tab is the about page. So the website is very user friendly with all the screen resolutions and modern browsers. So this is the demo of this website. Now let me walk you through the tools and techniques behind this website. So how to build a full stack application with interactive maps. In the current scenario, it's quite important to track the statistics of all the cases around the world. And I would like to thanks to Johns Hopkins University Center for providing the data to the public user. And they filter the data in a very well organized manner, and they are updating their repository every day. So after seeing the data, I have decided to build a full stack application with interactive maps. And to build a full stack application, I need to have a front-end service and a backend service. And I have chosen React.js as a front-end, Node.js as a backend, and MongoDB database for the storage. Johns Hopkins maintains the data in CSV format in their repository, and I need to convert the CSV data to JSON format so that it will be quite easier for the front-end framework to populate the data in an efficient way. And to convert CSV to JSON, I have used CSV parser npm model, which is a very popular CSV parser, and converts CSV into JSON at a rate of around 90,000 rows per second. And one most important thing is that Johns Hopkins updates the data based on the UTC at 23 hours and 59 minutes. And in the server, I need to track the time in the background so that I can make the update process automatic. And to synchronize the data in my server, I'm using Node cron npm model, which is a task scheduler, and once you register a task with the given time, then it will run in the background and triggers when it reaches the scheduled time. And after parsing the data, next big challenge is to populate all the coordinates on the map, because on the map, if I traditionally populate the coordinates, then the application will not be responsive. So I have populated the coordinates by converting the actual data to GeoJSON data. And GeoJSON is an open standard for representing graphical features as a point, line, string, polygons, and many more. And GeoJSON supports all the maps platforms such as Google Map, Mapbox, and many others. So I have designed one endpoint as markers.geojson, which takes the input from the MongoDB and prepares all the coordinates into GeoJSON format. So the front-end framework can call this endpoint while doing the map implementation. And this is a sample GeoJSON object of United States. And in this object, as you can see, it's structured with two different objects, geometry and properties. And this is a standard when you have a large number of coordinates and wants to populate on the map. Then GeoJSON format is very efficient to render the coordinates on the map. And I've chosen React.js as my front-end framework for this application. And to maintain the application state, I've also implemented Redux, which is a very popular JavaScript library for managing application state. And it's highly recommended when you are managing multiple states in the application. and both of these frameworks are quite efficient and easy to implement. And to populate the coordinates on the map, I've implemented Mapbox, which is quite similar to Google Map, but the major advantage of Mapbox is it's free and provides many better functionalities such as custom maps, clustering, turn-by-turn navigations, and many others. So as I've already mentioned that Mapbox also supports GeoJSON format, and to populate GeoJSON data over the map, Mapbox has a technique called source layer, which means in every vector source there will be one individual layer, and sources defines which types of data maps should display, and in this application the data type is GeoJSON, and after defining the data, layer refers to the source for visual representations and also the styling of the map. So in this way I populated all the coordinates on the map, and the map is very responsive in all the devices and also in modern browsers. So I've made the complete development open source on my GitHub, so that you can also build similar types of applications by following my repository. And if you find any types of issues like on improving codes, then please feel free to raise an issue on GitHub, so that it will help me to improve the website. So this is the overall technical presentation of this website. I hope you understood the tools and techniques behind this application. If you have any questions or suggestion, then you can drop a comment, or you can reach out to me on Twitter. I'll be happy to answer your questions. If you like today's video, then give a like, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Please stay safe and stay well, and to protect yourself from this virus, wear a mask and wash your hands frequently, and take necessary precautions if you get sick. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching.